Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a new page on Wix. Let's get straight into it. First, log into your Wix account and head to your dashboard. Find your site and click the Edit Site button to open the Wix editor. The editor will load with your website visible in the center of the screen. Once you're in the editor, look at the left sidebar and click on Pages and Menu. You'll see a panel open up on the left, showing your current site, pages, and menu structure. This is where all your page management happens. At the top of this Pages and Menu panel, you'll see an Add Page button. Click it. A selection menu appears showing different page template options organized by category, things like Services, Portfolio, Contact, and General, plus a blank page option. Click the plus blank page button in the top left. After you choose it, a text field appears asking for your page name. Type in whatever you want to call your new page. The name will automatically show up in your site's navigation menu. Once you've entered the name, click the Done button at the bottom of the dialog. Your new page is now created and appears in your Pages and Menu list on the left. The editor automatically opens your new page, ready for you to design. You can now add text, images, buttons, galleries, or any other elements using the tools in the left sidebar. Before you finish up, remember to save your work using the Save button in the editor. Wix doesn't autosave as you go. Once you're happy with the page, publish your site to make it live for visitors. Until you publish, the new page exists only in the editor. Also, your new page will appear in your site's navigation menu automatically, so visitors can navigate to it once the site is published. If you need to change the page name later, you can click the three dots next to the page in the Pages and Menu panel and select Rename. And there we go, adding a new page on Wix done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.